Your late model diesel truck has two tanks that you have to keep full. First, of course, is the diesel fuel tank, and then is the diesel exhaust fluid tank, sometimes called AdBlue. This is where you put your DEF fluid. The DEF fluid spout is designed to prevent you from overfilling the DEF tank. Again, it's very important not to cross-contaminate your diesel exhaust fluid with your diesel fuel. Putting diesel exhaust fluid into this tank can cause some serious damage to your fuel injectors and fuel system. Putting diesel fuel in this tank can cause you damage to your diesel emissions fluid injection system.